Hello, today we are solving May 2025 paper IAL Unit 2. Question number 2. State two examples of revenue reserves found in a company's account. Okay, what is a revenue reserve? Revenue reserves are some distributable reserves created in the company's financial statements, and these could be generally used for, I can use it for the distribution of dividends and stuff like that. So the two examples of revenue reserves which I can see is, the first one is the retained earnings. Retained earnings, I can use it to issue dividends, then I can use it to issue new shares of the company. So these are distributable reserves, so they are the revenue reserves. Then the second reserve is the general reserve. These are the revenue reserves. State how a revenue reserve is created. So whenever I create a revenue reserve, I will use it retained profit. So retained profits are transferred from the revenue reserves, are transferred from the retained profit. So once you calculate the profit, you can transfer some amount and keep it in the retained earnings reserves and general reserves. State two uses of revenue reserve. What is the use of this revenue reserve? One is I can pay off some dividends, or I can issue bonus shares, or I can also issue new shares. So that's the use of revenue reserves. Then state two examples of capital reserves. Capital reserves are non-distributable reserves. These are called as non-distributable. Non-distributable reserves, which means I can't use it to create for issue of dividends or issue of new shares. I can't use it, and these are generated from usually capital profits. What are the capital profits? If I have a revaluation of an asset, then I will be able to create a capital replacement reserves. Then capital redemption reserves are created. So but I can't use it to pay any dividends. I can't use it to create dividends. I can't use these reserves to issue new shares. So these are non-distributable reserves which are created out of capital profits, such as asset revaluation. Revaluation reserve is also created. So now the state two examples of capital reserves other than the share capital found in the company's account. What are the capital reserves you have? I have share premium reserve. It's a type of capital reserves. Then I can, because I'm seeing redeemable shares, I can also create a capital redemption reserve. So these are the categories of capital reserves. State how each of these reserves given in part B1 is created. So the share premium reserves, how will I create? It is created whenever I am going to issue shares above their face value or nominal value. Whenever I issue shares in the share market above its nominal value, I'll be able to generate a share premium reserve. Capital redemption reserves, this is usually created whenever a company is going to buy back its own shares. It is not an issue of a new share. It is buying back its own existing shares after a specific period of time or whenever it is required. Then state one use of each of the capital reserves given in part B1. So what is the use of whatever you have stated here? So if I have stated share premium reserve, you can say I will use it to write off any expenses. For example, I am forming a new company and I am spending some amount. I will be using capital share premium reserves and decrease it and debit it in the expenses. So those are the journal entries that will happen. I can use it the share premium reserves, and I will use it in the expenses of the company. Then capital redemption reserves, I can use it to issue a bonus share. Suppose a bonus share is issued, I will use capital redemption reserves to issue those bonus shares.